Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. So having a look at Fantom here, you can see our Fibonacci is still redrawn in from last time, and you can see we are potentially getting a bit of a rejection in and around this key area here. As we said before, this could have potentially been a breakout, but on closer inspection I could have potentially drawn my resistance here slightly wrong. If I draw it on the weekly time frame, it might make a bit more sense and be a bit more accurate if I just make sure that this is in the correct place. You could potentially say that we're looking at something like this, where basically, if I just put this on auto, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, daily chart, not 5-minute chart, that would be crazy. You can see here potentially getting stuck under this resistance. If this was the case, I'm just going to make sure that this line is actually in the correct spots. It's always so difficult to get these lines exactly right. You'd say pretty much there would be it. And you can see, potentially here we are maybe getting stuck under a bit of resistance right now for Fantom instead of breaking out as I saw in the previous video. If I actually look at, where this line is now, it makes more sense that this would actually be an area that it is getting rejected at. You can see here, obviously there's a previous swing high level of resistance like this, but also maybe this trend line resistance as well, causing a bit of an issue for Fantom to move to the upside. Obviously it's had quite a nice move as well, off this low all the way back here a few weeks ago up to that high around 33%. Coming to the upside here looking pretty bullish without much retracement at all. And we have got above our 20 and our 55 EMAs, and we're coiling into this area here, aren't we, where we do want to see something happen. We're either going to break to the upside or probably break down and retest this area in and around 21 cents, we would say. Currently around 23.5 cents. Fantom looking, pretty good, to be fair. Just looking like it's doing like pretty much every crypto is right now. Potentially forming that W double bottom. If we take a quick look at what we're seeing here, you can see 94 and 95% was the total retracement for Fantom. That is a pretty insane amount, isn't it? Let's be honest. And we do think that sooner or later we are probably going to see Fantom have a bit of a move towards that upside. At the very least, we would say at around that 0.23 level at 37 cents, maybe even upwards towards the top of the range at 42 cents. If we do see ourselves breaking out this resistance, because it has lost, basically the sellers are looking pretty exhausted, aren't they? There's huge bullish divergences here where we come down and looking like we have retested that low again. Potentially this forming a massive bullish divergence on the low here on the daily time frame. And if that is the case, that you could say these are actually new lower lows. You would maybe start to see yourself, like a lot of cryptos are looking at the minute, Fantom breaking to the upside, heading out of this resistance here into the upside. So it remains to be seen what will happen, but our target would be that fib level at the 0.23 at 37 cents to the upside if we break out here. And if we roll over again, as we said, until we break out the range, we're basically going to be inside the range until we see a big break, aren't we? So 20 cents would be our target to the downside. So that's it for today, guys. A quick update. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.